All right, first graders, this is a scene from a film, which is a movie called Singing in the Rain. And you're going to hear the famous song of the same name, Singing in the Rain. And then you're going to see Gene Kelly, a movie star and a very famous dancer, tap dance to the piece.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain, dancing in the rain. I'm happy again. I'm singing and dancing in the rain. Dancing and singing in